Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros simple. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and bring it to a rolling boil. Then, stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth dough forms. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly before incorporating 1 large egg. This creates the perfect base for your delicious churros. Now that your dough is ready, transfer it into a piping bag fitted with a star-shaped nozzle. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch long churros directly into hot oil. Maintain an oil temperature of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal frying. Alternatively, pipe them onto parchment paper first, then gently transfer them to the hot oil. This method helps maintain their shape beautifully. Fry your churros for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown and crispy texture. Once fried, use a slotted spoon to remove them, allowing any excess oil to drain on paper towels. While still warm, immediately toss them in a delightful mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. A ratio of 1/4 cup sugar to 1 teaspoon cinnamon is perfect for this coating. For the ultimate experience, serve your freshly made churros warm. Their crisp exterior and soft interior are best enjoyed immediately. Enhance their flavor by offering a rich chocolate dipping sauce or a creamy dulce de leche on the side. A light dusting of powdered sugar can also add an elegant touch. These delightful treats are perfect as a dessert or a special snack for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.